So hello guys, so another video tutorial for today. Another card magic trick. So for today, 12 cards ang gagawin natin. 12 cards magic trick. So from this deck, kailangan lang natin ng 12 cards. Okay, so bilang lang tayo ng 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 12 cards. From these 12 cards, you will ask your spectator to pick up one. Oh, pick one card. Ganyan, kunwari ito. So, this one. So, I don't know. Hindi ko nakikita. I don't see this card. Okay. So, this one. Oh. Tapos, sabihan mo si spectator na memorize your card, show it to your friends, so they will memorize also the card. Okay? Like this. Tapos, kunin mo yung card, lagay mo sa gitna. And then, after mong kunin yung card, bilang kang 4, yung pang-4, flip over mo siya. Okay? Then, after ng pang-4, yung pangalawa, flip over. Another pangalawa, flip over. Okay? Hanggang sa last, flip over. Tapos, sabihan mo yung spectator mo to cut the card. Cut the card. And then, flip top 2 cards. Okay? 1, 2. So, flip top 2 cards. Okay? No limit at all. So, you can cut, flip top 2 cards as long as the same process. Cut, flip top 2 cards. Okay? No limit. Kahit baliktarin mo siya, okay lang. Cut, then flip top 2 cards. Alright. So, okay na. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung cards na yun, ha? So, we'll see, guys. After that, divide mo sa 4. Okay? So, sabihan mo yung spectator mo. You have to tell your spectator to flip this card here. This card here. And this card here. Okay. Then, you shake the card. Blow the card. Let them blow the card also. Then, you spread the card. Okay? So, you have to ask them if this say their card. Did you see your card? Oh. Nakita nyo ba card nyo? Wala. So, I hope this is your card. Alright? Yan ba yun, guys? Hindi ko alam, ha? Yan ba yun? Okay, for the tutorial. So, 12 cards for the tutorial. Ganon din. Same thing. Okay. Pick one card. So, kunwari ito. Pick one card. Ganyan. So, tell them to memorize their card. Tapos, pakita sa mga kasama. Habang pinapakita sa kasama, ikaw, kakat mo siya, ay pinky break mo siya. Pinky break mo siyang ganyan. Yung pinakauna. Yung first card lang. Yung first card. Yung pinakauna. Pinky break mo siyang ganyan. Tapos, kunin mo yung card. Pero, kunwari, lalagay mo sa, you're pretending that you have to place it in the middle of the deck. But, dito lang siya sa second card, okay? Doon lang sa pinky break, doon mo siya papasok. Okay? Tapos, pagkatapos noon, yung first 4, doon ka mag-flip ng card. And like this. Tapos pangalawa ulit, hanggang sa last. Pangalawa, okay? Tapos pagkatapos dyan, papakat mo siya. Cut the card, flip top 2 cards. Okay? Basta the same process na siya. The same process lang. Kailangan pagka-cut, flip top 2 cards. No limit ng cut tsaka flip top 2 cards. Basta same process lang siya. At baliktarin mo pa siya. Like that. Tapos cut. Tapos flip top 2 cards. Okay? Alright. No limit. Tapos pag okay na, tanungin mo sila kung okay na, kung gusto pa ba nila o okay na. Pag okay na, divide mo sila ng 4. Divide mo ng 4. Okay? Alright. So, from here, makikita mo na kaagad kung alin dyan yung card. Kasi, yun lang ang nag-iisa na walang kapares. Kumbaga siya lang na iba. Ito lang na iba, katulad yan. So, ang gagawin mo, para hindi awkward, ito ang pinakauna mong ipa-roll over. Ganyan. Okay? Tapos, roll over mo siyang ganyan. Roll over mo siyang ganyan. Tapos, shake mo kunwari. Blow mo kunwari. Blow mo sa kanila. Tapos, spread mo. Okay? So, tanong mo kung nakikita nila yung card. Okay? Pagka hindi, if they will say no, so I hope this is your card. Alright guys. So, I hope nasundan nyo yung tutorial natin ngayong araw na to. So, see you on the next vlog. Please follow, like, and share, and subscribe to our channel, okay? To support us for another content. Alright? So, have a great one, guys. See you on my next vlog.